Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best beach chairs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ostrich Deluxe Padded Sport 3-in-1 Aluminum Beach Chair. Ostrich crafts some of the most luxurious, intuitively comfortable beach chairs on the market. The brand has nailed all of the extra features that you crave when at the beach, from cup holders and side pockets to padded footrests and an adjustable lower back pillow. This chair reclines smoothly in 5 different positions, and the footrest can be adjusted at 3 angles, which helped us to find the most comfortable positions for kicking back at the beach, whether we were eating lunch, reading, or taking a nap. The extra wide wooden armrests are a great touch, and the cup holder even tucks beneath them when not in use. We loved how the headrest could be removed to reveal a face cradle, which allowed us to lay face down for an even tan. While this chair clocks in at just over 10 pounds, the extra weight feels worth it for the wide variety of extras that offer full-day comfort. Plus it's still easy to carry in one hand. Note that this chair is extremely popular and sells out quickly, so be sure to snap one up when you see that it's available. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Ostrich On Your Back Beach Chair. Ostrich's patented face cradle is an innovation that makes laying on your stomach comfier than ever. The head pillow flips upwards to reveal a supportive pop-up face cradle, akin to what you'd find on a massage table. We loved using this beach chair for napping, securing the ever-elusive even tan, and reading without squinting the sun out of our eyes. The latter was extremely easy because the chair has convenient arm slots, which allowed us to reach our arms through the chair to comfortably hold a book or e-reader. While this was the best option we tested for spending extended time face down, we wished it extended slightly further than 46 inches to offer more support for our legs. Like many others on our list, this beach chair also boasts padded backpack straps for easy portability. At number 3, we have the Pacific Breeze Lounger. The Pacific Breeze Backpack Beach Lounger was one of the most cushioned chairs we tested, thanks to the ample padding throughout. Crucially, the material is quick-drying and easy to wipe down, and it doesn't absorb a ton of heat either, so it's comfortable enough to lounge on without a towel. Taller people will love how this lounger extends to 74.8 inches, keeping your legs sand-free while reclining or fully lying down. At just 6 pounds, this is also one of the most lightweight options that we tested, and it folds down fairly thin for easy storage when not in use. The backpack straps also make it a breeze to carry while juggling the rest of your beach essentials, although they are slightly tricky to figure out how to slide on and off the lounger when first unfolding it. It comes in a 2-pack, making this one of the best values on our list. This way, your beach buddy won't be jealous of how comfortable you look on this lounger. At number 2, we have the Wacapo Inflatable Lounger Air Sofa. At just 2 pounds uninflated, this unique beach chair can be packed into its carrying case and tossed into any beach bag or carry-on for maximal portability. We found it a breeze, literally, to inflate, since you can whisk it through the air to fill it up instead of requiring a pump. This took a few tries. You have to shut the mouth sleeve between movements to keep the air inside, but was relatively straightforward. Once inflated, the Wacapo chair is firm and comfortable, although it's a bit awkward to get in and out of. Keep in mind that it noticeably deflates after an hour or so, requiring you to get up and fill it with air once again. Ultimately, this is the case with most inflatable beach chairs, and we found this one to last longer than other options on the market. There's also a handy side slot for storing a water bottle or magazine, but note that it fills with sand easily, so it's not a great place to store your phone or other electronics. It's available in 16 vibrant colors and patterns to show off your summer style, from bold neons to funky florals. And finally, at number 1, we have the Max Sports Beach Day Foldable Chaise Lounge Chair. Group beach trips tend to mean lugging several tote bags, coolers, towels, and beach toys around, not to mention chairs and umbrellas. The Max Sports 2-in-1 Beach Day Lounger and Cargo Cart revolutionizes your carrying capacity by converting from a convenient push cart into a comfortable lounger, allowing you to toss everything you need for the day inside and roll it to your spot on the sand before unfolding the cart back into a chair. As a beach chair, this pick easily reclines into 4 different positions and boasts an extended leg rest. The all-terrain wheels are super smooth on pavement, and we found that they work better than we expected on sand. While we wish there were a few other extras, most notably, a cup holder, we were delighted by how efficiently this versatile chair worked and how straightforward it was to set up. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.